Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get your first Shopify sale in the first 14 days of your trial. Now, there's going to be a part 2 for this where I show you the free way to do it. So this is using Instagram. So if you want to see that, just leave a comment below and I'll make a part 2 probably tomorrow, showing how to use Instagram to get sales. Because ideally, you do want to use Facebook ads and Instagram together. So basically paid way and free way combined to get sales. So this is what I've always done in my 14-day trial to pretty much be able to pay for like at least the next six months to like a year of Shopify, pretty much out of the gate. So let's get straight to it. So let me give you some examples of what I've sold in the past and kind of the strategy that I use to get your first sales in the first 14-day trial. So pretty much what you want to do is actually think about who's actually like gonna buy your product. So let's say with me, so one store that I started was it was a bit of a general store. So I was selling monkey fingerlings. So these are like little toys. Now you might be thinking, all right, let's just target people who like, I don't know, monkeys or I don't know, stuff like that. But I just thought about like, I mean, I don't know generally what people would do, but I just thought about like who would actually want to buy these kind of toys. So I kept it simple. I was like, all right, the people that are most likely to buy this are parents of kids, parents that have toddlers, children, that are like between, let's say, 3 and 5. So that's literally what I did. I made an ad set, went inside here. So let me show you what that looks like. I think it's in demographics though. Yeah, it should be in demographics. Let's see. But yeah, it's not coming up here. It's usually inside here. So let me show you what that looks like. I'll show you the exact interest I use. So pretty much what I think about it, right, who wants to buy it and then create ads around. So in this case, it was like, I reckon obviously with toys, it's gonna be parents like them because kids are not gonna be able to buy toys. So obviously, so you want to target parents, and then you probably want to narrow it down by like a country. So let's say, I mean not a country, but another interest. So let's say monkeys. So I'm selling monkey fingerlings. So I'm gonna target parents of kids who like monkeys, and that's it. And then all I did was create different ad sets for different countries, and it got sales pretty much straight away. So this is a campaign for my personal brand. So let me show you. So I'll just show you what it looks like to target parents or just these kind of specific targeting that you want to use it. So, but not also I just want to say is with Facebook ads, you only have to pay. So you pay pretty much using credit because you kind of have to pay at the end of the 30 days. So you can spend 30 days, spend all your money in ads, and then you can pretty much and then you have to pay. So it is a bit risky, obviously, but obviously if you think you're gonna get sales, I mean this is pretty much I've always done it. When I kind of didn't have money spending ads, I would just spend money in ads and I hope I'd get a sale and then pay you back at the end of the 30 days. So obviously that's risky. I don't recommend that, but just so you know, obviously you do pay the end of the 30, so you don't get charged straight away, which means you can get paid by the customer and get all the profits in, and then you have to pay Facebook for the ads. So just keep that in mind, so you don't have to worry that you're gonna have to pay back straight away as soon as you spend money in ads, and you're minus 100. If you're most likely gonna get sales, which means you're gonna get a profit before you even pay Facebook. So detailed targeting. Now the stuff that I'm talking about, like targeting parents and stuff. Alright, so here is, I forgot, I didn't even see that, but yeah, so look, so all you want to do is, all I did was look for parents between children not 0 to 12, probably about 3 to 5 years, and that's it. So I'll type that in here, parents, children 3 to 5 years, and I just targeted those people. It was that simple. So you want to think about who is going to buy your product. So with toys, it's usually going to be parents, depending obviously on what kind of toys it is. It's usually going to be parents. And obviously when you write your copy, so when you write the actual ad, you want to like write it for them. So you want to be like, all right, hey, this is the perfect Christmas gift for kids. Or you want to have like kids in the picture, like playing with it, stuff like that. And usually, obviously, parents, some of them might have multiple kids, so they'd buy more than one toy. So you got to think about that as well. So usually, when I did get orders, it was never like one order. It'd be like 4 to 6 at once, which is kind of crazy. So when you do get orders, it might be a lot more than just one item, obviously, unless they just have one kid. But you obviously you don't know about that, so you just want to target just parents that have kids. That's it. So you can see right here, it's 10 million people. All right, so now ideally you're gonna want to combine the Facebook thing with Instagram. So with Instagram, you're gonna get free traffic. I'll show you how to do that in the next video. But this one, so once you figured out kind of who wants to buy stuff, so with toys, I can't go through every niche of who wants to buy it, but like let's say with toys, obviously probably parents, depending on what you're selling. Let's say you're selling footballs, you obviously want to target football fans, probably people between like 18 and 20, because obviously you want to target people that actually have credit cards. You don't want to target kids. Or again, you could target parents that want to buy footballs for the kids. So you got to think about it that way as well. What other stuff people sell? Electronics. So electronics, I'll probably go for specific gaming niches. So I would target an actual game. So let me show you. So let's say right now, popular game is Fortnite, or let's say PUBG, something like that. I would actually test out different games. Let's see here, 47 million people. So now you know already that all these people are into games, and then obviously you're gonna want to narrow it down by men over 18. So you don't want to target 8-year-olds or 9-year-olds. So over 18. Let me just remove that so we can get an idea of who's gonna buy our stuff. I mean, the audience size. So this is if you're saying, let's say, gaming electronics, gaming mouses, and I'm actually gonna get into this niche myself. So I'm showing exactly what I would do anyway. Location. You also want to test out locations, by the way. Locations is important. So we got United States, men, people who like Fortnite. See, look, it went from 47 million people down to like 4 when I narrowed it by age. So it's like there's a lot of 8-year-olds playing this game. Just remember that. Now you don't want to target people that old, so I'd probably test it in like 10s, so 20 to 30, 30 to 40. And actually I'll probably keep between 20 and 30. So because I don't think all people like this game. 18 and 30. Alright, and then you're obviously gonna wanna, send ads out to these people. Alright, to buy gaming mouses or anything like that, because most people getting into this particular game right now, you gotta know that a lot of them obviously have probably never gamed before, so they probably don't even have gaming mouses. But if you can, like, obviously when you write out your ad copy, you want it done in a way where it speaks to them. So you might want to say, oh, this mouse, it helps you get better aim, it's better for ergonomics. You might want to talk about how it's bad for your wrist if you don't use a good mouse, and if you play for long hours. You might want to talk about how it helps with gaming performance. So you're gonna want to talk about stuff like that. Now you're gonna want to do this for your niche. All right. So for your niche, find out who wants to buy it. Figure out kind of the audience that you want to go at, and then also figure out the ages as well. So, but yeah, so this is the kind of the paid way to do it. So if you want to know the free way to do it, the free way that you want to do on top of this, I'll show you that how to do it on Instagram. So I might stick with this niche, or I'll show you how to do other ones as well. How you can do in any niche really, and yeah. So with this one, like, just give you an overview of how it works. Instagram, you make your account. You're gonna post images using hashtags. You're gonna put hashtags in your bio. You're gonna make story posts. You're gonna tag big accounts. in your story posts and in your images. And then you might want to have videos as well. So you're going to do all that stuff combined, and then it's going to get you organic traffic from Instagram, and hopefully you'll get sales that way too. All right, so that's all there is for today. I'm gonna close this, and yeah, but these ads are for my course, so I'm just literally just retargeting people. Actually, this one's for my content. This is my YouTube. Let me show you where that is. Let me click on it. I'll show you real quick. You might actually see the ads if you click. If you've been on my website, so it's not too big. It's just like, let me see. You're talking about like, how to run profitable Facebook ads. So yeah, that's literally what this ad is. But yeah, so if you do go on my website, you might see an ad like this. I'm into it because it is whatever. But I just run them just to test out, see if it works or not. But yeah, anyway, peace out guys, and speak soon.